Welcome traders. Let's just pick any pair Euro USD. Okay, the last time I showed you how to develop your own good strategy. Today I want to show you how to find long trades. Maybe I can start with that for those who didn't see the video, because the steps are really simple. What you do is you zoom out, okay, and then I showed you. Okay, let me just set up that indicator, the sessions indicator. On the search box, just type sessions, okay, and then you select this one. Let's put some few settings on this indicator. I'll just scroll to the bottom and check that last box, and then because my screen is white, I'll put a black color on the Sydney session, and then I press OK. What you look for is a place or a box where the market moves in a straight line. If you can take a close look, you will discover that on the blue box, price will make a straight move on the blue box, which is the London session on Euro USD. So the next thing that you do, you uncheck the other boxes so that they don't disturb you. Okay, you uncheck the other ones, you leave London. So this is what you will have. You are going to be finding trades or entries within the blue box because it is where this pair moves in between, it is ranging. The last time I showed you that for the entry rules, it's pretty simple. If you are to use my strategy, which is the easiest, all you do is mark the first candle, and then when price closes above, you take a trade. You take a buy trade. Okay, take a buy trade. Pretty simple. You mark the first candle. When price closes below, you take a sell. Okay, you mark the first candle. This is a scalping strategy, so you don't hold for too long unless you have an understanding of what I will show you today. Okay, so price closes above, you take a buy trade. Okay, so what I want to show you today is how to know if price will be moving for a longer period, okay, or for longer pips, whatever you call it, like in this case. Let me start by explaining this. Always know that whenever price moves, okay, these moves are called trends. Okay, you have an uptrend, you have a downtrend, you have an uptrend. So those moves are called trends. What you need to know about trends in the market is that whenever price makes a trend like this downtrend, you have to know clearly where this downtrend started from, of which if you are to draw a trend line like this, you will notice that this trend broke out of the trend line right there. Okay, so if you extend this area where price broke out when making this downtrend, know that the breakout right here is coming to test that region. Okay, I once said that on my previous video. So if you are to find an entry anywhere along the trend, if you find a buy entry, you are to hold it as far as this region, because whenever price breaks out, it goes back to where the trend started from. Same thing, okay, if price will break out again or will start moving downwards, you have to know where this uptrend started from. Okay, and to know that is very easy. You draw a trend line, okay, and then you know that when price broke out and moved upwards, it started right here. Okay, so you know that when it drops, it is dropping to this region. Let's just move to the real charts, okay, so that you have a clearer understanding. For a moment, I will remove the trade sessions. Let me start maybe from here. I hope you can see that this is an uptrend. Okay, this was an uptrend. Okay, and then This was another trend, even though this trend is called a ranging market, but this is a trend, okay? And then this is another trend, a downtrend, okay? And then this is an uptrend. Seeing these trends, let's just start from the beginning, okay? Let's start from this trend. Observing what is happening right here, you know that there was this drop in the market, and then this drop started, let me just draw a trend line. There was that move, and then price broke out right there. Let me draw a horizontal line, okay? Move it up a bit. Price broke out right there, okay? So when price breaks out again, let me draw this. When price breaks out again right here and starts moving up, you know that it is coming to test the area where it broke out from, okay, right here. So if you were to find a buy entry, let me put my sessions again. If you were to find a buy entry somewhere here or on this session, you buy right there, you would know that you can hold up to that area, okay? So if you were to find an entry here, you would know that you are supposed to hold for a very short time because you are now close to the area where the trend started from, this downtrend, okay? Let's continue so that you understand. Now, observing what is happening right here, you know that there was this drop in the market, and then this drop, if I were to draw a trend line like this, okay, trend line, when price dropped, it broke out from this point, okay, it broke out from this point. So right here, when price, let me just do this, when price broke out here, you would know that it will move as far as this line, okay, to fill the area where the drop began from, okay? So that's why you wouldn't hold for long here, because this point is very close, okay? Let me just move on a bit. I hope after watching this video many times you are going to understand. Okay, right here there is this drop, okay, and then this drop started, we'll just take the average. See that price reversed here, reversed here, reversed there, okay? So let's just take the average of those areas. I'll just draw like that, okay? Draw like that. So price broke out around this area. Let me just use the dotted line, okay, like that. Price broke out around that area. So if you see price moving up, okay, let me just draw the trend line right there. If you see price breaking out right here and moving upwards, you know that it is coming to fill this region. So if you were to find the buy entry anywhere, whether it's there using my strategy or there, you would know that you are supposed to hold as far as this key level, okay? Once you understand this on a smaller time frame, it is now very easy to move on a higher time frame like the daily. When you get to the daily time frame, if you see price breaking out, where's the trend line? If you see price breaking out there, okay, the trend line should be like that, because this seems to be another trend which started there. See that that is somewhat whatever shape you might call it, okay? One can say it's a flag, okay? So this trend broke out from it broke out from there. Okay, it broke out from there. So if price is to break out here and you find an entry somewhere there, you can hold as far as that area, because that is where, or price is filling the area where this drop started from. Okay, it's like what is happening right now on Euro USD. See that, just do this. If you do this, okay, this uptrend started from here. This is the area where price broke out and moved up. So if you are to see price coming back, okay, if you are to see price coming back, you can sell and hold, because price is at least coming to that region. Easy as that. It is the base of how to find very long trades in the market. Very important to know. Okay, it's very important to know. For now, I will end just here. If you are interested in holding very long trades, try to watch this video again and again and put much practice. Thank you for watching.